Hi everyone, it's Carrie and welcome back to my channel. We were in the market for a portable power station that could power my husband's CPAP machine, charge our e-bikes and our phones when camping without power hookups. So we looked on Amazon and decided to purchase a Jackery, and after reading the reviews, figured that the Explorer 240 would be sufficient for our needs. Well, that was in July, so I thought I'd rewind the video and show you the unboxing and also give you an honest review as we learned a few things after using it for the last 2 months. Okay, I guess this is two unboxing. That was the first one. Now here's the box. So, what it powers cell phones, laptops, drones, computers, and cameras by the little icons on the back. It has an LCD port, a car port, a USB-A port, a DC input, and an AC output. And it has 4 ways to charge. There we go. All right. So the first thing it suggests you do is that you make sure that you charge it fully to its full capacity. There's a service and support information for maximum battery power. Charge now and every 3 months, or keep me plugged in when not in use. Store me in a dry, cool place. We've got a case here. Let's see what's in here. There's your car jack charging cord. There is your wall charging cord. That's nice, and comes in a nice case to keep the two together. Sort of a foam type feeling material. Okay, now here's for the fun stuff. Oh, we've got a user manual, which we will look at. And that battery is nice and packed in there with some foam. All right, there you go. Alright, so from the looks of it, this is the one and only panel that we need to look at here. Okay, so you've got your display, input, your USB, your AC, volts, and showing how much voltage you have there, and then your car charger there. Okay, let's go plug that in. Actually, better read the user manual first. Then we'll go plug that in and see what we need to do. Oh, these are fun. If you're a sticker person, you can use this out to deck out your water bottle or your vehicle. And then the manual itself. Tells you your package list, what you get, all the specifications on it, how to recharge it, how to use the power station, how to know what all the icons are on the thing, which we will go look at in depth inside, what it can charge, troubleshooting, facts, warranty, and the story. And then it shows the different sizes. So this one was 240, but it shows that they have quite a few different amounts. Honestly, the reason, if you want to know why we picked the 240, it was because on the reviews it said that it could power a CPAP machine all night long. And if you use a CPAP machine, you know that you need it to work all night long. Okay, let's go plug this guy in. The price we paid was $250 Canadian. The Jackery 240 features a 240 watt backup lithium battery. It will charge a mini cooler for 3 hours, charge your phone 24 times, charge your tablet for 7.5 hours, and charge your laptop 3 times. The pros are it worked great on the e-bikes. It charged both of them and had battery remaining. It worked great for the iPhones. You just have to make sure that you press that on button so that the input is on and it will charge it. And even one Sunday while we were camping, I used it to curl my hair before church. Lighter than I thought. The grab handle is awesome, and kudos for adding rubberized bottom for the grip so it doesn't fall over. Very smart. There are cons. The CPAP machine took a few more tries to figure out how to make it work. Amazon reviews said that it would work for CPAP machines. My husband's is a Resmed Air Sense 10. The first night, it drained the battery, and halfway through the night, the CPAP machine stopped. Well, that's not a fun experience for the user. Suddenly, there's no air. Second night, he turned off the humidification and turned off the heated tube, and then the machine was able to work the entire night and actually had enough power for 2 nights of use. One question I've seen asked is, can I leave my power station plugged in all the time? Well, that's not recommended. You can overcharge your batteries, and it's been known to reduce their capacity over time, making them less effective. So plugging them only in when necessary would definitely be the best. If you operate the power station in an improper way, there will be appearing symbols on the LCD screen. One shows that the battery has been drained out, high temperature, low temperature, the battery was overcharged, and if the power station has been overloaded. There are certainly cheaper brands out there, but there are also ones that are much more expensive. But when you bring everything together, such as the build quality, the ease of use, I would say that for us, the Jackery is perfect for our needs. If you've enjoyed this video, I'm sure that you would enjoy watching a tour of some of the campgrounds that we've stayed at this year. And so stay to the end, and I will post a link to the campground review videos that I've compiled. Also, if you like the video, please click that like button. It helps me know that the content that I'm creating is helpful to you. And if you want to stay up to date with my upcoming videos that I'm creating, please hit that subscribe button. I'm on a mission of hitting 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, which is a huge goal, but with you, it's possible. I love creating content for you, our community. It brings me so much joy, and I am so thankful that I found a kindred spirit in you. And I will see you all next week.